This is my 2004 Renesis rotary engine project that I have for sale. Bruce Turrentine built the engine. Of course, it's got Tracy's RD1C. It's a 2.85 PSRU on it. I've custom built it. The intakes and exhaust. I'm using a 52 millimeter Weber carburetor right now. 305 stainless steel with a 2.5 inch outlets on it. All the welding was professionally done. I didn't attempt any of that. I did some of the fabrication of pieces. The engine mounts for a RV6A. I believe it also fits the 7s. I'm not sure about the 9s. There's a stock oil cooler. It was rebuilt in California by a company that does that. The exhaust is 3-to-1. There's a V-band down here to isolate some of the heat that passes on down. And then I've got a flex union into the 2.5 inch pipe I had intended on installing the muffler underneath the fuselage in an attempt to get all that heat out of the cowl area. I've got dash 16 hoses running out of the water pump. Aluminum swirl pot there. You know, the overflow would attach here. I hadn't blocked that at that point. I have installed a all-effect trigger point ignition system, which runs off a pulley on the back. I don't know, it doesn't show up really well. You can see two of the pickups there on the top that are 180 degrees apart. Those fire the trailing plugs. I have a MSD 6A ignition box, which fires the leading plugs in a waste spark configuration, and then a Chrysler ignitions for the trailing plugs, which need to fire separately. We've got remote oil filter, custom built radiators, 3 inches thick. I believe it's, I'll have to check, 12 by 16 or something like that, maybe a little bit smaller. Ed Klepis built the engine mount. That says for nose gear, RV. I don't know what else to show you here. It's got Ed Klepis's aluminum plate. Brand new starter, brand new alternator. The alternator isn't a real huge one because without an electrical computer I wasn't drawing a whole lot of amps. I've got some temporary gauging hooked up for it. That's about it. It's been run a matter of a couple hours.